Okay, today might be the day that I take this car on its first drive since 1978. I haven't even started it up yet, and you know, this is actual first drive. I may find myself having to adjust some things. Hopefully it'll go right off. I've got a fire extinguisher. I think all classic Corvettes need to have a fire extinguisher on them at all times, because you never know what's going to happen. I'm running it without my air cleaner. That's dangerous. But you know, I've done a lot of adjusting, kind of aligned the front end the best I could right here in my backyard, and we'll see how it drives, if it drives. I still have it basically hot wired, but I do have it to where it'll run on the key. So I need to do a little bit more adjusting on that door. I put my better speedometer cluster in it, but as I said, nothing is really hooked up. But I've got all new wiring and everything like that for it, and I guess now is the time. Brakes are done. We'll see what it does. Whoa. Let me try idling it up some. Good grief, the thing is it has always just started and ran pretty good. Now last night I adjusted the timing a little bit, and I never did change the idle speed on the carburetor, so that might be my problem. But I do have my neighbor who's going to help me film this. She's waiting outside on the street. She's going to film it as it pulls out on the street. But I want to hand her the camera, and I want the car to stay running. Oh, this is nice to be able to start it with the key. And my battery, I don't have much battery too. That's another thing I'm fighting against. nearly died on me.
Wow, that was fun.
Did you have a good time?
Yeah,
Okay, if I film you. All right. That's my neighbor. Anyway, wow.
My arms hurt.
Well, I thank you for doing it. I thank you for recording. What'd you think?
That was fun, exhausting, and pretty scary.
I imagine it was. Well, what do you know? It's good to see it out of the backyard.
Smoky.
Well, yeah. And I can tell I need to adjust the valves on it. It's a solid lift cam. It's good to see the disc brakes cleaned off instead of seeing them rusty and everything.
I can tell when this car's finished, it's going to be pretty good.
I hope so. They say I got to take it to the front end alignment shop and get it aligned. And
I think Mr. Dog wants to be on camera.
yeah, that's my neighbor's guard dog. It protects everything at night. Well, I did it. I put on Facebook that I might be driving it tonight or today, and I kept finding more and more stuff that needed to be done to it, and I didn't know if I'd be able to make it because, you know, the car doesn't have lights, and once it gets dark, that'll be the end of my chances for today. It's about 7 o'clock on Friday night. I love that color. It marina blue. It's tweaked a little bit though, but anyway, thanks for watching. First drive since 1978.